Breaking news. Apple has just announced a massive $500 billion investment in the United States. But why is Apple making such a bold move? What does it mean for American jobs, the economy, and you as a consumer? Stick around, because today on The Profit Path, we'll break down everything you need to know. The big announcement: Apple's CEO Tim Cook recently met with the US president, and following that meeting, Apple has committed to investing $500 billion over the next 4 years. This investment is expected to create at least 20,000 new jobs across the country. One of the major areas Apple is focusing on is building a new data center in Texas. With the rapid growth of artificial intelligence, AI, and cloud computing, this facility will play a crucial role in Apple's future operations. But what's Apple really getting out of this deal? Let's take a closer look. Why is Apple making this move? Apple has long depended on China for manufacturing its products. However, global tensions, rising tariffs, and supply chain disruptions have forced Apple to rethink its strategy. Here's what's driving this huge investment: avoiding US-China trade tariffs. The US government has been imposing tariffs on Chinese-made goods, including microchips and electronics. By shifting some production to the US, Apple can avoid extra costs and boost local manufacturing. Strengthening ties with the US government. Investing billions in the US can help Apple gain favor with regulators and potentially secure tax benefits. Expanding its workforce. Apple's new investments will generate thousands of jobs, benefiting not only tech professionals, but also those in logistics, retail, and data management. Building a future in AI and data. With Meta, Amazon, and Google all making massive AI investments, Apple is ensuring it stays competitive in the next wave of technological innovation. Overall, this move is not just about Apple. It's about the future of American technology and innovation, the future of global trade. This move by Apple also signals a shift in global trade dynamics. The US Trade Representative has proposed higher fees on Chinese-built ships entering American ports. If this policy gets approved, companies like Amazon, Costco, and Apple might have to increase their prices due to higher import costs. But Apple is already ahead of the curve by investing billions into domestic manufacturing. While this won't replace China's role overnight, it is a step toward long-term stability and reduced dependency on foreign production. Apple's $500 billion investment is a game-changer for the US economy, job market, and tech industry. But what do you think? Will this move benefit everyday consumers, or is it just a strategic play for Apple's future? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you want to stay updated on finance, business strategies, and money-making insights, make sure to like this video, subscribe to The Profit Path, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next big update.